Welcome to our video on healing your gut with natural remedies. Gut health is crucial for overall well-being, as it influences everything from digestion to immunity and even mental health. A balanced gut can lead to increased energy levels and improved mood, while an unhealthy gut may contribute to various ailments. In this informative and supportive video, we encourage you to take charge of your health by exploring natural solutions. You can expect to learn about 5 effective remedies that can help restore balance to your gut. Whether you're dealing with digestive issues or simply want to enhance your gut health, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the world of natural healing and empower you on your journey to wellness. Gut health refers to the balance and function of the digestive system, which plays a vital role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. A healthy gut helps break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste effectively. However, many people experience common gut issues such as bloating, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and food intolerances, which can disrupt this balance. These problems not only affect physical comfort, but can also lead to emotional distress, highlighting the strong connection between gut health and overall wellness. When your gut is functioning well, it supports a robust immune system and contributes to better mood regulation. Understanding and prioritizing gut health is essential for achieving optimal physical and mental well-being, making it a key focus in your health journey. Probiotics are live microorganisms, often referred to as good bacteria, that play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut flora. These beneficial bacteria help restore balance in the digestive system, improving digestion and enhancing immune function. Incorporating probiotics into your diet can significantly benefit your gut health. Some excellent food sources rich in probiotics include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. These foods not only add flavor to your meals but also provide essential nutrients that support gut healing. To optimize your gut health, consider incorporating probiotics into your daily meals. Whether it's enjoying a bowl of yogurt for breakfast or adding sauerkraut to your lunch, making these small changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense liquid made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues, and it's packed with collagen and amino acids that are essential for gut healing. These nutrients help strengthen the gut lining, promoting better digestion and reducing inflammation. Making bone broth at home is simple. Just simmer bones from chicken, beef, or fish in water with a splash of vinegar for 12 to 24 hours. You can enhance the flavor by adding vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Regular consumption of bone broth can provide significant healing properties for your gut, making it a comforting addition to soups, stews, or enjoyed on its own. Incorporating this nourishing remedy into your diet can support your journey toward improved gut health. Fermented foods are vital for promoting gut health, as they are rich in beneficial bacteria known as probiotics. These foods undergo a natural fermentation process, which enhances their nutritional value and introduces live cultures that support a balanced gut microbiome. Some popular examples of fermented foods include kimchi, miso, sauerkraut, and kombucha. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help replenish the good bacteria in your gut, improving digestion and overall health. Experimenting with fermented foods can be fun and rewarding. Try adding kimchi to your meals, sipping on kombucha as a refreshing drink, or using miso in soups and dressings. Embrace the variety of flavors and textures these foods offer while boosting your gut health in the process. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that serve as beneficial gut bacteria, helping to nourish and support their growth. By feeding these good bacteria, prebiotics play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall digestive health. Some foods rich in prebiotics include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas. Incorporating these foods into your daily meals can be simple and delicious. For example, you can add sliced bananas to your morning oatmeal, toss garlic and onions into your favorite stir-fry, or enjoy a fresh salad with asparagus. By making these small adjustments to your diet, you can enhance your gut health and promote a thriving community of beneficial bacteria in your digestive system. Herbal teas are a soothing and effective way to support gut healing, offering a variety of benefits for the digestive system. Specific herbal teas like peppermint, ginger, and chamomile are particularly known for their calming properties. Peppermint tea can help relieve bloating and gas, while ginger tea is excellent for reducing nausea and promoting digestion. Chamomile tea not only soothes the stomach but also helps reduce inflammation. making it a great choice for overall gut health. Incorporating these herbal teas into your daily routine can be simple and enjoyable. Consider sipping on a cup of peppermint tea after meals, enjoying ginger tea in the morning, or winding down with chamomile in the evening. These small additions can significantly enhance your gut health and overall well-being. In this video, we explored 5 natural remedies for healing your gut: probiotics, bone broth, fermented foods, prebiotics, and herbal teas. Each of these remedies offers unique benefits, from restoring gut flora to reducing inflammation and promoting digestion. Taking proactive steps towards improving your gut health is essential for overall well-being, as a balanced gut can enhance digestion, boost immunity, and even support mental health. We encourage you to incorporate these remedies into your daily routine for lasting benefits. If you find this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from these health tips. Together, let's take charge of our health and nurture our guts for a happier, healthier life.